Hey guys, so here's the notes for day 8. We're going to be talking about logistic growths. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is evaluating. So we have the function of f of x equals 100 over 1 plus 9e to the negative 2x power. So what we're going to do for a, b, and c is plug, the values into where we see x. So the first one is we have negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and have 100 over, and then we have 1 plus 9e, then negative 2 times negative 3, okay? And so what we can do from here is basically calculate, and we will have to use our calculator here. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay. So we have 100, and I'm going to divide. And I'm going to use parentheses here, so 1 plus 9, and then I got to do second natural log to represent e, and then I have negative 2 times negative 3. Now, if you are using a scientific calculator, it is going to do a parentheses for your e. So what I would suggest is you'll have to have 2 sets of parentheses closed at the end. So if you're using a graphing calculator, you only need 1 set. We do have to use a parentheses because we do have this 1 plus 9. And if we don't, the calculator is going to think something else of what we're trying to do. So make sure you do have parentheses for the bottom. We press enter, and we're going to go ahead and round, well, in this case, to 3 decimal places, and I have about 0.028. And that'll be my answer. So really, the only work you have to do is show what you plugged into x. Okay, let's try that for the next one. Part B. We have 100 over 1 plus 9e to the negative 2 times 0 power. Now we can actually do this without a calculator, which that's what I'm going to do here. If you want to try with the calculator, make sure we get the same answer. Okay, so using our lovely exponent rules, remember, so we do negative 2 times 0, so we have e to the 0. What happens when we ever have 0 or have anything to the 0 power? It is 1. So when we do that, e to the 0 actually gives us 1. So in the denominator, we just get 1 plus 9. So when we evaluate that, that gives us 100 over 10. And of course, when we evaluate that, that gives us 10. And that's our answer there. Okay, what I would like you to do is go ahead and pause the video and try part C on your own. Okay, let's see what you got here. So I have 100 over 1 plus 9e to the negative 2nd times 2. And this one we will just have to plug into our calculator. So once again, I have 100 and then divided by, make sure you use parentheses, 1 plus 9, we do second natural log for our e, and then I have negative 2 times 2, which I'm going to go ahead and just put 4 because I already know what that is, and then parentheses, and we'll go ahead and round to 3 decimal places here. We have 85.849. Okay, make sure you watch the next video. We're going to be talking about how to graph logistic growth functions.